thunderstorm warning for western Robertson County and Middle Tennessee, Dixon County and Middle Tennessee, Cheatham County and Middle Tennessee, southeastern Montgomery County and Middle Tennessee, until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:31 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These severe storms extended from 16 miles east of Erin to 10 miles south of McCune, and were moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Dixon, Springfield, Ashland City, Burns, Pegram, Kingston Springs, White Bluff, Charlotte, Cheatham Dam, and Pleasant View. Severe thunderstorms contain damaging winds 58 miles per hour or stronger, or hail 1 inch or larger.